Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, we have a date. Everybody that's asking me for the past few weeks, what is the official date of release of Windows 11, sorry. Well, Windows 11 is going to be released on Tuesday, October the 5th. That is what the official release date is. Microsoft has announced today that, of course, manufacturers will have PCs with Windows 11 ready on that day. That means technically you would be able to go to a store like a Best Buy and get yourself a brand new Windows 11 PC. And for those that are on Windows 10 and that are compatible, you will be able to go into your Windows updates and check out, and there should be a Windows 11 optional update. Now, it might not appear to everybody in the first day because they'll probably want to do this in waves like we often talk about. And they will, as time goes by, of course, have more and more machines rolling out to Windows 11 if you want. So it's kind of a surprise that it's so early in the month. The rumor of October has been there now for quite a while, and I've been talking about it. And it's a change from the official numbers or the official statements when they announced Windows 11, because they had talked about Windows 10 users getting it only early next year. So is it that they're actually making things a little faster than they thought, or change of plans? But one thing for sure is that this is going to be the Windows 11 release on October 5th. So this is the date. That means that compatible machines will be there. Do you really need to update to this? We're going to talk about a couple of things because I have a few videos to make that will maybe turn you on or turn you off of Windows 11. And of course, I'll have the usual questions. A lot of people ask the questions about this. What's going to happen also is that we will have a, just like Windows 10, in Windows 10, when you go to the website, you have the media creation tool that you can download the image and upgrade from the Windows media creation tool and so on. All of this will be also available for Windows 11. And that means that on October 5th, you probably will have the ability to use the media creation tool to upgrade. And now, of course, a lot of you will ask questions about, stability, about should I go, is it a forced update? We're all going to talk about that in another video where I'm going to talk about, should you go or not, and what's the positive, negative of all of this as we go into a new era of Windows. So October the 5th, 2021 is the release date for Windows 11. That'll be a little more than 6 years after the release of Windows 10. So that is an interesting take on what's going to happen. So it's a Tuesday, the first Tuesday of the month of October. That's barely more than a month away from now, so that's not that far off actually. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.